Hello food lovers! We are here at Cafe Kitsune at the podium and I'm with my date, Kirby. So ito yung place guys. Actually maliit lang siya pero maganda siya. So nung nakaupo na kami, sinervan na kami ng water, then nag-order na kami. Our first order is the signature banana caramel latte for 240 pesos. So sa Philippines lang siya meron, so make sure to order it. Pero nung nakarating sa amin, hindi siya mainit. So sad. Then, ito yung matcha yuzu. Masarap siya, guys. Maasim siya, pero masarap siya. I'll rate it 7/10. Then, we ordered the French onion soup for 360 pesos. Actually, mahal siya para sa French onion soup. Pero nakabasa ako ng review na masarap daw yung French onion soup nila. So, for me, I'll rate their onion soup 8/10.